Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix slow access to network shares on Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand service. Click and expand Landman workstation. Click parameters. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type directory cache lifetime, D, C, and L are capital letters. Change value data to 0. Click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.